Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Dylan. You guys are chilling with Dylan, and today we got another brand new unboxing for you. Alrighty guys, so let us get straight into the video. So if you do enjoy this video, make sure you guys are smashing that like button. If you are new around here, don't forget to please smash that subscribe button. My watch time is strictly coming from all new viewers, so make sure you guys are subscribing to the channel, and also don't forget to hit the post notification bell so you don't miss another one of my uploads. And without further ado guys, let us get right into the video. So I did actually hit these on the actual raffle on their website. Now this is the Awake New York Airship. It is by Jordan brand. It's not an Air Jordan per se, but it is the Jordan Airship. Now we're going to touch on the Airship a little bit later. However, let's get started with the box. You are going to get a special packaging and box with this release. So as you can tell, it's going to say Awake with the Air Jordan Jumpman logo on it. Coming around, you also are going to see, if you notice, the old snake skin print going around the box. On the bottom, it's going to read Where I'm From right on the box right there, which I think is a pretty cool touch. And also, you're going to get your size tag, which reads Jordan Airship PESP. Colorway is Sail Black and University Red. Now, I got a size 11.5 because if you are not aware, if this is your first time purchasing an Airship, go true to size about any other Air Jordan 1, Air Jordan 1 Low. Some of your dunks and stuff, they fit very similar to that. So I recommend whatever you normally wear on a Jordan 1 High, get the same for the Jordan Airship. As you flip open this box, you are also going to get the coordinates to the Awake New York shop, as well as the Jordan Jumpman logo right there in red. So, like I said, nice detailing for this collaboration. And if you are not familiar, like I said, with the Airships, it's pretty cool because every single Airship comes with a pamphlet on how the shoe is constructed. Now, this one has another special detail because it's going to have the branding of the Awake New York collab. So it's going to say Awake New York right there on the front. If you turn it around, you're going to get the Jumpman logo with the Awake as well. When you open it up, it's also going to be branded Awake New York. You know, when you flip through the pages, you're going to get the Awake New York. And actually, it does show the specific Awake New York Airship, which is, you know, it's actually a nice touch that they went all out. Even with the packaging as far as the little pamphlet, they could have just thrown a regular Airship in there, but they did not. So nice touch, and way to go Jordan brand and Awake New York. You are also going to get this little sticker pack inside of the box as well. Gonna have a couple different stickers. You know, the Bronx, Manhattan, Queens, Staten Island, Where I'm From, Awake, Awake New York, Brooklyn, and Air Jordan. So if you're into stickers, you're going to get a couple with the sticker pack right here. Now, when you do open up the box, you're also going to get greeted with this nice branded paper. So you got the Awake New York behind the Jordan Jumpman logo on the paper itself. Again, attention to detail, very nice. I love when, you know, you get a nice collab, and it really does show because all the fine attention to details are within the packaging. I do appreciate that, especially for the price of shoes nowadays. It is nice to get some premium details. And then once you get all up in it, you are going to get greeted with the shoes, which, you know, right off the bat, guys, you're going to really tell. First off, this scent coming off these things. Woo! That is some strong glue, if I do say so myself. Now, you are going to notice right off the rip that the materials that they decided to use on these is something crazy. Now, it's like butter. I mean, straight up butter all the way around as far as the leather is concerned. I mean, you're going to get some really high quality materials when it comes to this. Now, listen, like, I'm not going crazy. It's not, you know, the most luxury designer brand in the world, right? It's Jordan brand. But however, I'm just saying, like, the material, you're going to get a really nice, soft, premium feeling tumbled leather, white leather throughout the entire upper. If we're going to go ahead and do a quick press test, let me get up close with the detailed shots. that is a really nice quality toe press on the toe box. Now, going even around the mud guard and stuff like that, and even on the where you come up towards the ankle collar, really nice premium feeling. Like, let's be honest, I don't know if it is premium leather, but it's premium feeling at least. Very soft looking, to wear in really nice. And honestly, if you're somebody who cares about creases a whole lot, with this nice tumbled leather, it should wear very well as well. So you shouldn't have too much of a problem with that. All right, so right off the bat, let's just get into some of these details, okay? You're gonna get a really nice quality hang tag, this metal Air Jordan hang tag in that metal. I don't know if it's silver, I don't know what it is. It's just a metal, nice premium hang tag. Looking good, feeling good. Like I said, it's the subtle details that make a collab shoe, in my opinion. Now, like I said, you're gonna get that nice soft white leather all over the upper. When it comes to the little because airships have this little extra strap right here, is to help lock down your foot, and also it helps you move. So if you have a wider foot, if you can tell with the old Lycra tongue straps, it does help your foot move a little bit if you are a wide fitter. That's why I do say that these are actually very comfortable shoes to wear. Had a couple pairs of airships. I am down to one, which is the A Ma Maniére black pair. I do still have that in the collection. I did get rid of my diffused blue, part of the Every Game pack. I did have the Dune Reds, also that UNC colorway. I did get rid of them, however, because I have a lot of UNC shoes. Don't know if you could tell from behind me. I got the Hyper Royals, Obsidians, the UNCs themselves. I'm kind of all set on powder blue shoes. We'll see, down the line if I decide to pick up any more. But as far as that is, I would much rather wear those over the airships. And I'm not saying that it's not a good shoe. It's an overall really good quality shoe. It's just, sneakers are expensive nowadays. The economy ain't so great. So you got to be picky and choosy on what pairs you want to buy, what pairs you want to keep, and what pairs you want to sell. Let's be honest. So, like I said, going over to that little area with the flap, you're going to notice a really nice embroidered A for the Awake New York logo. Like I said, nice detailing all throughout this sneaker. Now, when you get to that Nike swoosh, you're going to get a metallic silver looking Nike swoosh with a red felt behind the swoosh, which I think looks pretty good. Also gives a nice pop of that red color with that silver. I think it pairs together very, very nicely. Going around to the back of the shoe, you're going to note you're going to get this faux snake print. Some are going to think that it's pretty controversial. Not controversial, but you know what I mean. Some people are going to like it. Some people are going to hate it. If you're not a fan of it, then it's probably not the shoe for you. I actually personally like it. I think they did it in a very tasteful way with the black and red theme. So I do think that that looks pretty nice. They are going to have the same Jordan Wings logo, which is going to have, it's very hard to tell. I'm going to try to get my best detail overhead shots. But it is going to say Awake New York in that wing logo. So very good detailing right there. Hopefully you're able to pick that up on the camera. That's going to be both on the left and the right pair. Now, when it comes to the back of the shoe, you are going to notice a difference because you're going to get Nike Air on the one, and then you're also going to get Awake New York on the back of the heel of the other one. And for the most controversial piece of this collaboration, what they've been doing with a lot of shoes, the A Ma Maniére airships are no different. Is going to be that distressed vintage out midsole. A lot of people are saying that they don't like it. It looks like the poo-poo stains or whatever. I think this one looks a little bit more uniform than the A Ma Maniére pair did. At least my pair is pretty decent when it comes to the quality of that. However, some people are going to really like that. Some people are not. I know a lot of people are done with the sale. I personally like it. It just adds another flavor to the sneaker. And then when you go to that outsole, I think it's a beautiful outsole. It's like this distressed vintage gum bottom. So it's not a bright gum, but it is like that distressed vintage look. Really think it looks nice. I mean, all these detailing is very, very nice on the shoe. Overall, the package of the shoe looks very nice in my personal opinion. Now, I did forget to mention over on the tongue, you're going to get the all-over sail or cream-colored tongue. Behind the tongue, you're also going to get on your Nike Air patch right here in the front. You're going to get the Nike Air branding in black, but on the back of the tongue, you're going to get the Awake New York logo in red. So, like I said, nice touch there as well. Going over to your insole, you're going to get a all over red insole, which is true to the 85 spec. So these things are going to come with a nice polyurethane insole. So for more comfort for you guys on your foot. So all over red insole with the Nike Air branding. That's going to be the same, I believe. Yep, the same for both left and right shoe. They're going to come pre-laced with the white laces, but you are also going to get a different set, which is going to be the red pair of laces as well. Again, cool that they give us the option for another lace color. Now, overall, guys, I think they did a phenomenal job with this collaboration. I think the material use, the actual execution of everything, the details that they included is a very, very nice collab, in my opinion. I think that this shoe it gets an A minus for me personally. It's a great colorway, good execution, and I like, personally, the vintage touches that they added. Now, this is not going to be a shoe for resell. Let's just be completely honest. The airships have not taken off to the level that the Air Jordan 1 has. I think Jordan Brand would really like for that to happen. They have introduced a bunch of collabs so far with the airship. You had the Nigel Sylvester collab with the Evergame pack. Granted, that was not a branded Nigel Sylvester, but he did have his own airship, to go along with that pack for promotion purposes. Now, obviously, we had the Awake New Yorks right here. You had the A Ma Maniére black version. If you want to check that video out, I do have it on my channel, as well as that green version. So I personally did pick up the green version of the airships from A Ma Maniére, their second collab with the airship. Actually, third collab with the airship. They had a royal blue one back in the day as well. But I did pick that one up. I did hit on the raffle, so going to be doing an unboxing and review of those as well for you. But let me know your thoughts and opinion on the actual overall airship model. Do you think it deserves a little bit more love? Do you not like this? Would you rather have a Jordan 1? Let me know all that good stuff down below. Personally, I think it's great. It's a great shoe, simple shoe to rock, pretty lightweight. I know a lot of people are saying they're more bulky than Jordan 1s. I disagree. I think it's a very sleek looking shoe. Pretty much to me, it's like a Jordan 1. And I love Jordan 1s, so of course I'm going to like this model. Execution on this one, like I said, phenomenal. But let me know, do you think the airships deserve more love? Are they an underrated sleeper? Are you happy they go for pretty much under retail? Because they're pretty easy to get, let's be honest. If you want these things, resale is non-existent on them, and they were a pretty limited shoe. Like I said, let me know all your thoughts and opinions down below in the comment section. And if you did enjoy this video, like I said previously, make sure you guys are smashing the like button. Please hit the subscribe if you are new around here, and don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss another one of these uploads. My name is Dylan. You guys just chill with Dill. Me and the Awake New York airships. We're out. Peace.